Hello, my name is William Podhajecki, and I'm intern at Red Hat. Um, I'm, let me share a screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Yeah, okay, thanks. My job is license detection from Thoth solver. I'm detecting license from metadata, and in this metadata, I am searching for classifiers and licenses, and they have some standards which we can find on SPDX or IPI. SPDX, it's some standards for licenses in metadata or somewhere else. Classifiers are some standards for IPI. So I'm extracting these standards from these sites, which we can see, and creating some list aliases for them, and comparing this data with found it in metadata. So after extracting this data and saving in lists, I am comparing them. So I'm comparing a license list and classifier list and their aliases, and founding their conjunction. Of course, not all classifiers and licenses are have same name, so I need to create some dictionary with aliases and comparing them with this. After detecting correct name for classifier and licensing, so if they are matching, we'll print out some match. And after, if we don't have match, it's printed out some warning. Okay. Here we have some examples. Is package GeoCoder. License is MIT, but he or they chose or write it wrong classifier. So for user will be print out some warnings, and if classifier type and license are same, we'll print match and all is good. This is all about my demo, and if you have questions, you can ask me.
So how were these aliases created?
Yeah, these aliases for classifiers, I'm extracting. This is an original name. It's, you can see it?
Yes.
Okay. Extracting name and some abbreviation, which are often used in metadata. Aliases, we have only name and identifier, and another alias for identifier without this. So, and for a classifier and license comparator are created with some YAML file, and a lot of times it's problematic to detect a license because a lot of users don't use standards. So I created a JSON file with aliases with most used name for a license. Next question. Okay, if we don't have questions, we can end this demo.
Okay, thank you, William.
Mhm.